Welcome to Luxury Life Deals. More info, click link in description. Pet hair remover roller, dog and amp, cat fur remover with self-cleaning base, efficient animal hair removal tool. Versatile, keep your home free from loose lint and hair. The ChomChom lint roller for pet hair removal works like a charm on furniture, upholstery, blankets, and other items riddled with fur. Reusable, if ripping off hundreds of lint roller sheets is a pet peeve of yours when cleaning, give our pet hair removal tool a go. It doesn't require sticky tape, so you can use it again and again. Convenient, no batteries or power source needed for this dog and cat hair remover. Just roll this lint remover tool back and forth to trap fur and lint into the receptacle. Easy to clean. Upon picking up loose pet hair, simply press down on the release button to open and empty out the fur remover's waste compartment.